Hey guys, Machines Mal here. Just wanted to show you this Tomboy harness we bought off of Amazon.
Tomcrazy.
Tomcrazy. Amazon phone harness. So a little while ago we bought this one. This one actually goes on your head, and it's got the universal, I guess the GoPro style mount here. You can mount a GoPro onto it, and this is great, nothing wrong with it. We actually had a GoPro to test it out with, and I didn't like the footage. It had the fisheye feature, and that doesn't really work for when I'm showing you how to fix things. Probably good for action shots, but not so much repair videos. So we thought you could have it on your head, or then Tomcrazy created this body harness with the same mount, and it comes with this bracket which stretches out, and you can put your phone inside of there, like that, just like that. It clips to your phone, and then you can actually install it on the front of this thing, and as you walk around and talk to people and show them things, they can see what you're looking at, and you have your hands free. So we're gonna throw this on real quick. We just tried this a minute ago and sized it to fit me. I don't know if it's gonna work out well, but we'll try it and see. What do I do?
Head through there.
Like that.
Yeah.
We got our strap here somewhere.
Oh. You're a little twisted, but it'll work.
Can you untwist me?
Not without you taking it all off.
No.
Oh, hold on. Yes, I can. Don't take it off. There you go.
Thank you. All right, guys. So that's on. It squeezes my springtime belly, and then what you do is you take your phone. It's got a little mount on the bottom, and you install it inside like that. And then now you've got your camera in front of you, and your hands free, so you can film things, and you can actually see what you're filming. If you look at the screen,
You should start your camera.
I'm gonna start my camera, and you guys can actually see what we're filming. So there you go. Now we're filming, guys, and I can show you exactly what we're working on. We're gonna do some handy video editing and flip to what I'm filming on the camera here, and yeah, it's kind of a neat feature. So hopefully we'll be able to do some videos and show you some of the cool stuff we're working on with the camera phone and another camera, and try and get the video editing a little bit smoother on this thing. All right, so that is the Tomcrazy
Adjustable chest harness.
adjustable chest harness, and then you just pop your phone out when you're done with it, and it just packs away like that. Kind of neat. Hit the subscribe button. We're gonna make some more videos with this gear, and thanks for watching.